Hello there, I am Tugustu Zaryu. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue here grade 10 lesson on components of multimedia. Here, what are the components of multimedia? Multimedia is a file can be in the form of text, picture, audio, video, and animation. Therefore, what are the components of multimedia? There's various components of multimedia are text. When you say text, a number, letter, any characters, audio, voice form, graphics, any picture that is created using method, MS Paint or other popular or just famous type of software like the popular one or the one that is used widely like Adobe Photoshop can create graphics, a video, and animation based. All these components work together to represent information effectively and easily. Why we use an information to express it? Not only to use a text, why not use only a text rather than using graphics? For instance, in preparation of newspaper, we use text by combining text and graphics. Why? To make it more effective, to make it readable, or to increase the readability of the newspaper, to make it attractive, to have a good appearance, you will present the information in text and graphics. To increase the number of readers, we use not only text, we combine text and graphics. The same to other information. When we present information, we use not only in text, some maybe present video with text. Here is the text. In multimedia, the text is used as a headlines, for instance, on the preparation of video, or a specific newspaper on a reporter may use headline or subtitles to present his videos or reports. The same to in web-based videos, there are captions. In addition to supplying content, the text is used to give directions and communicate information, text-based menu and buttons. They are used as a button. In the case of menus also, we use text. For instance, in web-based multimedia files, we use also the buttons, menus, additionally. Just nowadays, thanks to the technology, different people have a chance to communicate each other by using text. For instance, people, the ones that have no chance to hear, they can get information in the form of text. There are also visual impaired people have a chance to use an information using audio. Therefore, in the case of text, one they cannot hear have a chance to communicate each other by using text. The text can have various types of fonts and sizes. So is the professional presentation of multimedia applications. Some examples of fonts used to create words, sentences, and paragraphs are shown here. Here is a multimedia text in the form of headlines, can be titles or captions. The other is graphics, other component of multimedia. Graphics are visual elements often used to point readers and viewers to particular information. To address our information, to make it effective, we use by combining text with charts or tabular data with charts, graphics with text, and the same to other pictures possible to use. In general, we say the charts, the pictures, the parts are categorized under graphics. The other component of multimedia graphics that fit most needs are quite easy to find. Commercially prepared drawings called clip art come backed with many application programs. Most Microsoft package softwares have clip arts, therefore they are the part of graphics. Charts, another type of graphics. The charts can be prepared using Microsoft Excel. An Excel software can have a chance to change tabular data into graphical representation, which is chart. Therefore, the other form of graphics is chart. Chart is included under graphics. The third one, when we graphic or other multimedia object serves as a link to additional information about a topic, a link is called hypermedia. For instance, in preparation of link to move from one page to another, we use texts most of the time. Rather than using text, possible to use also graphics. In case of such link, we say hypermedia. The third one is audio. A multimedia application may require the use of speech, music, and sound effects. These are called audio or sound elements. Peoples, mostly visual impaired peoples, they cannot have a chance to see that. There is a possibility to have an information by hearing. For instance, in the case of this multimedia file, possible in the today's generation, possible to exchange information using audio. There are also computers. So there is a software JAWS like audio-based software that enables to interact with the computer. In the case of visual impaired people, have a chance to interact with the computer by using audio. And therefore, the other multimedia component is audio. And when it comes to video, it is motion-based picture with audio. Video can do a great deal to enhance a presentation, illustrate a proper technique, or advertise a new product. Some people may not have not, or some students have no chance to understand easily by using or by reading texts and observing graphics. When they have or watch a video, they can understand easily. There are in today's technology, for instance, here I am preparing my video lesson using YouTube. That's the place where that multimedia files are found, video based. Video files are photographic images played at speed that makes them appear as if the images are in full motion. Videos are increasingly large because a huge number of images are required to give appearance for the motion. Interactive multimedia allows users to respond directly to and control media elements. And when you say digital video is useful in multimedia application for showing real life objects also. The other component of multimedia is animation. Animation refers to graphic image that change or move, change or move. Therefore, nowadays there is softwares that helps us to change a specific object into motionable or movable. It's possible to make movable. Animation can convey information, add visual elements, or draw attention to important information. There is a time to change or to create emotion in case of texts and graphics. By combining text and graphics, it's possible to create animation using animation-based softwares. Therefore, the other component of multimedia is animation is commonly used in advertising and marketing on the web because the movement does grab visitors' attention, it says. Here the next topic is hardware software requirement for multimedia. Multimedia computer system is a computer system capable of integrating two or more types of media. When you say multimedia computer system, sub, when you say a system is a set of related parts working together. In a multimedia computer system, there are softwares and hardwares working together. When we come to multimedia, we must have a specific computer that fulfills in terms of software and hardware. Text, it's possible to add graphics and create animation and by mixing audio with text or by mixing audio with video, it's possible to create multimedia files. For generation, storage representation, manipulation, and access of multimedia information can be created using software and hardware. To use multimedia on a computer system, one needs to contain hardware components and software. Hardware requirements for multimedia. You must have these requirements for multimedia. Any computer with central processing unit with Pentium processor and having a random at a minimum of 1 GB and a monitor super virtual graphics array and a video card, sound card and CD-ROM drive. Nowadays, flash disks are also alternatively used. Software requirements for multimedia. Just the basic requirements for multimedia are what are the requirements in terms of software. For instance, texts can be created using word processor, image processing software like Photoshop, Corel Draw, animation creator like 3D Max and Flash, sound card can be created using SoundForge, and we must have the video can be video creator software, editor software like video for window and outer where can be requirements. Multimedia file formats. A file format is the structure in which information is stored encoded in computer file. Just file have its own format. You remember from your grade this grade in unit 1, there are files have their extension names. In case of Microsoft Windows, there is 3 or 4 characters. In case of DOS, there is 3 characters after DOS. It is a file format. Therefore, the video and multimedia files have their own formats. In case of sound file based files, .wav, .mid, .mu, it can be 3 or 4 characters as you have seen here. Therefore, the sound files like window wave format, musical instrument digital interface, WMU, window media audio, the image file format, TIFF, tagged interchange file format, the JPG joint photographic spectrum, for instance, when you capture an image using mobiles, have such type of format, GIF graphics interchange format. In case of PNG portable network graphs, mostly pictures using in webs, and VMP window bitmap format using Microsoft Paint. If you create a drawing, the picture is have extension format or the format of the BMP, and the video format have w.avi and .mpg. The format can be 3 or 4 characters. How can we know a specific files format? Let me here as a demonstration here. For instance, in case of video file, right click on the file, a specific file, then properties. You can see the type of file. Type of file is, it is an extension name for that specific file. Here properties. Any picture, any audio based, sound based, video based files can be observed like this by using properties. And type of file says here, for instance, MP4 file under parentheses .mp4. Therefore, the format is MP4. It is video based file. The same to other type of files can be seen. Multimedia production. In basic term, any sort of production that uses imaginary and combination of text. In the case of preparation of multimedia, we must have know how to use the software hardware properly, and we have to have a special skill know-how. For instance, here in case of multimedia production, there are a variety of positions: the production manager, the content specialist, text editor, multimedia architect, a script writer, computer graphic artist, audio video specialist, and computer programmer. In large multimedia production, for instance, in large companies or organizations, they have their own workers or profession persons. They have their own positions. Production manager, for instance, defines, coordinates, and facilitates in the production of multimedia production. Or for instance, for the production of specific drama or movie, there is a production manager, defines, coordinates, or facilitates the production of multimedia production. Is the content specialist responsible for performing all necessary research concerning the content of proposed application. And the script writer visualizes three-dimensional environment integration virtual reality into the product. The duty of text editor is revises all of the text-related elements. And the multimedia architect responsible for integrating all multimedia elements. And the computer graphic artist responsible for background, buttons, and photo collagos, and manipulating on editing pictures and 3D objects or logos or animatic. And the audio video specialist, it will have a responsible for recording and editing, narration, selection, recording, and sound effects. And in case of computer programmer, responsible for programming of codes, line of scripts. The codes can be prepared using a computer programmer in the production of The multimedia people are involved in multimedia production in variety of positions. These are the some of the people involved in multimedia production, and their roles are on the right side. Here I'll continue the next position on next lesson for today. Thank you.